I'm flying in the sky on my first airplane. Whee! Oh gosh, I can't breathe. I'm alive in the sky. Oh gosh, I'm out of fuel. Oh, damage my new helicopter. Why? Why? There's a fuel tank over there. I may have scooted over there. The camera. Here's the fuel tank. Yay! I'm back in the air!
Oh no, bad guys, my first enemies!
Oh gosh, I'm out of fuel!
Bikini Bottom, can you help me? Wait a minute, Bikini Bottom are my favorite actors left? You mean Spongebob and Patrick? Yeah, they're pretty famous. Here they got 1,196,000 calls every night. Wow, that's more than I get. I got 1,168 calls. Wait, I think that's where. What did you say? 1,192 calls saved. Oh, there. Whoa, you're awesome, dude. Whoa, my favorite actors laugh. It's fun. Cool helicopter. Yeah, that's like the best. I can't believe you caught it. That's so the best. I can't believe you got it. That's so the best. I can't believe you got it. Ouch. What was that for, SpongeBob?
Because you don't keep on saying a word that you're saying.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
Let's get on the helicopter. Can we, please?
Sure. Yeah, I'm going upside down mode. Whoa. Me too.
Whoa.
Whoops. Oh.
Let's go.
It's surfing down the street.
Oh yeah.
Leave my house on meat.
Oh yeah. My meat is good, but my tongue tastes good. Oh yeah.
That's funny, huh? So we're gonna head back to the Bikini Bottom.